Good morning, all my subscribers. There's I have an issue here with my solar geyser. You can see here the rubber stuff that I put over here, but it's like about 10 years now that this is on here. But look at the sun; it damages stuff so much. But in the winter, I just wanted to put some new stuff on because I think the cold in the night, it takes too long. When you open the warm tap, it takes too long for the hot water to get to the right temperature by the tap in the shower. So I'm just going to replace it. I bought these things from the local shop, is a plumbing shop, is a Superon Malaysia, for the sake for a 22mm pipe, and it's nice. It has like you put it over the pipe, and then there's like a sticky paper you take off, and then there's like a double side tape and it closes. So I'm just gonna go and take all these things off now so that I can replace it. Just want to put this camera on the stand quickly. Okay, I'm finished with all this rubbish here. There's not so much in the corners here, but I think it's fine. It's enough for, so it won't freeze, and maybe keep at least the hot water at the right temperature quicker as it currently is. Okay, this is my solar geyser pipe rubber. I don't know what you call these things, but it's just to protect it against the temperature, I guess. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.